Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I'm sharing some of my fall decorating ideas around my home, as well as some of my fall favorites. And so I'm also going to share a DIY wreath. And you guys, it was so simple to put together, and I thought the outcome was stunning. So guys, stick with me for a quick minute. I want to share a story before we start decorating. So many of you knew that my oldest son moved out a few weeks ago. You may have seen his bedroom makeover video, and if you didn't see it, I will link it below. And so now my youngest son is moving back home to complete his college journey and to be closer to home. So he left fall of 2021, and now he is returning this fall. And guys, I have to say, the joy of having him home is definitely a fall favorite. So I thought it would be a nice idea to gift him with a new bed. And so I want to thank my friends from Lindsay Living for sending over this bed frame for my son. Alright everyone, so this is how the bed turned out, and it has some really nice features like the drawers underneath the bed. It has the nice wood tone in a taupey gray, and it also has the USB plug to plug up your electronics, and it also has a light feature that changes colors. So the good thing about it, it is an all-in-one headboard and bed frame, and no box spring is required. And there's a ledge up top where you can place artwork, or you can place a lamp or anything that you may have that you would want to put on a shelf. So thanks to Lindsay Living for sending over this bed. I'm sure my son will get much enjoyment out of it. And if you are interested in purchasing a bed like this or anything from their website, I will leave all of that information in my description box down below. So let's get back to decorating. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I put together a very quick and easy wreath for your front porch. Alright guys, so this is the wreath that I have, and then these are the little picks that I got from Hobby Lobby. And all I'm going to do is just place them all the way around the wreath, and then I do have some loose pieces that I may use to fill in the open areas. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking so far. I did add some darker leaves that I picked up from Walmart last year just to give it a little bit of depth. Alright guys, so this is my summer look, but I wanted to share with you how easy it is to switch out summer to fall by just changing a few pillows, flowers, and maybe a candle. And guys, one of the favorite candles that I'm loving for the fall is the coconut milk and patchouli, and this came from Hobby Lobby. I'm also loving these marble slices. I think they are the perfect touch to add to your candle just to give it a little bit of character and warmth. And guys, you will see more of this space later in the season when I share more tours of my home. I'm just sharing with you right now areas that I have just added small touches of fall. Alright guys, so here in my master bathroom, this is the only area that I ever decorate for seasonal decorating. This is a place that we use, so we try not to keep it full of decor. And here is another favorite candle that I'm burning, and this one is Autumn Cider from Target by Hearth and Hand, and it smells so good guys. So if you're looking for a fall candle, this is one to look into. I added one little pumpkin. This is the only pumpkin that I have brought out so far in my home. Okay guys, just like the other space, I'm going to take this area from summer to fall just by switching out the stems. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for the decorating ideas for today. I have so much more to share with you, so if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos.